What's going on? Michael Petty here. So today, woke up this morning. Actually slept pretty well last night. I was up last night working on some pages. I'm actually going to show you one of the things I was working on last night. Woke up this morning and the system was kind of, having some maintenance done on it. So, uh, so I couldn't jump back on it right away. So I said, okay, cool. Let me go ahead and do some other things. So this morning, I got up, I cut the grass, came inside, and took a shower. So me and my son went to one of our favorite restaurants, one of our buffet style restaurants, as you can see in the picture. On the way out, we had some ice cream. Stop, take this picture. This the moments I wait for. I'm at home. I'm a homebody, family man, wife, my 13-year-old son, my older kids, grandkids. I'm a family man, working grow a house for 20 plus years. So my days off, I like to spend time with my family. you know, in addition with Exitus Elite, we make unlimited income, we make immediate income. And these are the moments that I live for right here is a reason why I use, in conjunction with my job, Exitus Elite, to make immediate income. So if I want to do more, I can take the money because we get paid immediately. As soon as a person joins, the money is available. We get to pick how we get paid, and we always make 100% commission. So I like to use that to enjoy life. So we did that, and I literally just got back. So I had an individual, our air conditioner needed some more freon because even though it's hot and it's kind of warm in the house, so he came in and did everything he did. The unit needed to be worked on because I think it has a leak in it. But so what I want to do is share with you what I was working on in the team sales page. That if you decide to partner with us inside of Exitus Elite, this is the team sales page that you're going to get. On top of that, you're going to get 3 generational bonus training and access to the mega swap files, which I'm working on that myself and make it a copy and paste swap file where I have headlines, ad bodies, going to actually have some email swipes where you can edit everything, copy and paste. You edit it to fit whatever you want to, promote. But if you decide to join our team at G500 and higher, this is the sales page that you're going to get. It has the Exitus Elite 6-minute presentation, has a webinar about Exitus Elite, and what it's going to do is I will personally connect all the links to you. So the join link will go to your link, testimony, Genesis packages, all these will go to your Exitus Elite link, so you will get credit for that. Your picture, your contact information. Want this sales page, join our team at G500 level or above, and you'll get this free. I made this through Power Lead System, right? I use Power Lead System to create this page. So Power Lead System is $54 a month, right? There's a page very similar to this one that's $20 a month. But if you decide to join my team, I will set up everything for you, pass you the link, you get their sales page to promote Exitus Elite, and you have to pay anything. Just for being part of my team of G500 or higher, this is what you get. And this is how you get access to the mega swap files that I'm currently working on. So this is what I spent last night working on. Still going to make a few changes, but Exitus Elite. But the reason I love Exitus Elite, as you can see, the quality. Once you get inside and watch the presentation, you can see the quality. So let me take you actually inside of Exitus Elite itself to show you the quality of what you get inside of Exitus Elite. Want to get past before they add up because don't want to show too much information here. But just to show you, this is a marketing suite. We have lead capture pages, series lead capture pages, just to show you the quality. To show you 2 of my favorite ones. This is one of my favorite ones, and also these 2 are one of my favorite capture pages I like to use when I promote Exitus Elite. I have my own capture pages, which is in the link down below. You can click on that and check out my capture page. And if you like to copy it, I can actually share it with you. But this is the page, and actually, when you see this, I like this page more. This is also another page that I like. I also like this page too. But I really like this page because if you click on the link below, it's going to actually take you to this page here, right? My page. And as you can see, automated marketing sizzle helps average people create $100 to $2,000 paydays. You can start today, you can get paid today, right? We get, like I said, 100% commission There's no monthly fees, only a yearly fee based on what level you want to come in. So basically, if you make at least one sale for the whole year, you basically got a free business. Because at the G2000 a year, you paying $399 for the year. Well, that's not really too much coming from the G2000 when you're at the G2000 level. So if you make a G2000 commission just one time a year, you pretty much got a free business for the year. But you can make $2,000 if you position yourself there over and over and over again, unlimited, and it's directly to you. As soon as they make the payment, the money is available. So when you enter your name and email address there, shifts you over to the sales page. Like I said, coming at G500 or more, I'll connect everything to you. And also, when you become part of our team, you get 3 generational bonus training, 6-figure earner training, and also at G1000, G2000, I put the first member in for you. So with Exitus Elite, it's a online marketing, all around online marketing training platform, online marketing, social media marketing, personal development, additional resources. It has traffic sources inside if you want to buy traffic. We also share traffic, which I share in the mega swap files. I will be sharing it in the copy and paste swap files I'm creating, currently working on right now. But since I came across Exitus Elite, I made the decision that this is it. Getting inside the back office, looking at everything that this company have. You got lead capture pages. You can create a bridge page. So, if you don't have like a system like Power Lead system to, build pages and funnels, you can use the capture pages. You see the quality. You can create a bridge page. Bridge page give you somebody to connect to. Give the prospect someone to connect to. They can connect with you, learn more about you. Then you got Exitus Elite Closing Team. This is profitable. Right now it's available. So it's an 80-20 split, right? You come in at the G1000, right? You give out the phone number. You got to make sure that they see the business presentation. And you also have to make sure, that you give them your number. When you click on here and go to the profile, your ID number will be back there. Give them make sure they see the presentation. Make sure they have your name or your ID number, right? You can give them the phone number to call the Exitus Elite Closer Team, which Paul Stevenson, which is the owner of Exitus Elite, best owner in online business. Paul Stevenson is his son, which is over support, best support. I had, so I was trying to get someone started, and had a little issue. Jacob Stevenson reached out to me personally, and we got it squared away now. The person is able to make unlimited income, direct unlimited income. And the reason I say Paul Stevenson is the best owner because we just had a webinar, right? And since I've been in Exitus Elite since January. Since I've been in, constantly updating it, constantly improving the system, constantly improving Exitus Elite. And he gave us a huge bonus just for attending a webinar. Didn't have to do nothing. Only thing we had to do was just be on the webinar, and we got a huge bonus to save a lot of people a lot of money. So that shows me right there. This is home. This is it. This is the quality, the ownership, the support. There's nothing else I look at. The way I know I'm home, right? When I look at a business opportunity. When I look at a business opportunity, if I know I'm home, if someone else presents something to me, if I take a look at it or maybe even consider it, that means that opportunity I was promoting not strong enough. Since I joined Exitus Elite, I have no need to look at other businesses. I'm not interested in no other businesses, especially after that last webinar. I am all in. This is it for me. Don't show me nothing. I'm home. My flags is planted like the horses. I got blinders on. I'm not looking left or right. Straight forward. Let's go. Let's get these $2,000 commissions over and over again. We're going to show you in the 3 generational bonus over 20 videos showing how to get the most out of your business, using strategies that's going to attract people to you, getting out there, building momentum, getting sales in your business. Also, in addition, with the system, we have autoresponder emails that will go out on your behalf. And if you use Power Lead systems, here's our sample emails you can use. You can copy it and put it in Power Lead system, or you can just edit it to make it say what you want to say and place it in the back office of Power Lead system. So when you're using a lead capture page created through Power Lead system and an autoresponder, which is attached, you could promote your Exitus Elite business. But I am feeling absolutely good today. Like I said, cut the grass, went out with my son, took the picture, posted online, came home. The guy got the air conditioning going, turned it on, start feeling a little better in here. I'm feeling pretty good right now. So I'm going to find something else to get into, probably do a little workout. So this is it for now. I'm Michael Petty signing off. Click the link down in the description. Get involved with Exitus Elite. Get the team bonuses. And I'll see you on the inside.